everyone, welcome to our Rani Computer Science Academy. Today we will discuss about the database design and ER diagram in our dbms database management system subject. It is the very important topic, students, for your semester exams. Actually, database design, what is the database design? Actually, data means information. So in the designing purpose is the database designing. There in this they have the 6 steps. In 6 steps, first is the requirement analysis, conceptual design, database design, logical database design, schema refinement, physical database design, security analysis. These all are the 6 of the database design. First 3 are the first 3 steps for the ER diagram, that is entity relationship diagram model. So now you see each one of them, students. First you like this video so that it reaches so many students, and don't skip this video, watch till end of this class so that you can understand what is the database design, steps of database design, and next ER model, data model. Now we will see with examples. Let's start our class. Now we will see database design and ER diagrams. This is the very important topic, students, for your semester exams. It comes 5 marks and 10 marks in your semester exams. This subject is there for B.Tech students, and in semester exams you should write the point wise so that the examiner will get good impression on your booklet and you can score many more marks and you can easily pass, and draw for each question related diagrams also, students. Now we will see database design, database design. It is it is divided into 6 steps, students. Now you see each one of them. First step is the requirement analysis. Draw this flow chart in your notes, students. It is useful in your semester exams. Requirement analysis. Next step is the conceptual database design. Conceptual database design. Next step is the second step. Step 1 is the requirements. Step 2 is the conceptual steps. Step 3 is the next step is the logical database design. Logical database design. Next one is the schema refinement. Next step is the step 4. Step 5. The step 5 tells about the physical database design. Physical database design. It is the first 5th step in our database design. For the all requirements, it will converted into the dbms. Now I see each one of them. Next is 6th one is the security analysis. Step 6.1. It is the security analysis. So these 6 are the steps for the database design. Now we will see each one of them here. Draw this flow chart in your notes, students. Now we will see each one of them. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel, students, so that when I will upload the videos, you will get by notification, and you can follow our channel and you can pass all our CS subjects. Now you see each one of them, that is first one is requirement analysis. First is the requirement analysis. It is divided into 6 steps. The database design process, the 6 steps. In that one, three steps are, first three are the three steps for the ER data model. Now we will see requirement analysis. It is the first step. It is the first step in DBM, in database design. In database design. In database design, and it is what data should store. What data stored in database. In database, which means that what actual data should store in our database, that one will be about the requirement analysis. Next is the applications. Applications also, which applications also should data should store. Data stored in the database in our DBMS. Next one is the, what is the next? Conceptual database design. Step 2 is the conceptual database design. Here, conceptual database design, it tells about the from the requirements what high level data will be stored in the database. It is nothing but top data, high level data will be stored in the database. It is called as the conceptual database design. In this is the information gathered from, note down all these points in your notes, students. The information gathered from requirement analysis, those high level data will store in the database, and also it will store the top level data, and select the top level data, and select the top level data and stored in the database, or it is the high level data model. It is also involves in this step also involves in the ER data model. It is also involves in ER data model, or it is the high level data model. Next one is, this step is the logical database design. Step 3 is the logical database design. It is tells about the which purpose? It tells about the DBMS. Our information will be converted to the concept DBMS. It will send to the DBMS. It is nothing but the conceptual data, which are the high level and top level data, is converted into the DBMS, is called as the logical database design. Here it is implement database. It is implement our database design in the concept. It will convert a conceptual data conceptual database design to logical database design into logical database design, which is the information, top level information or high level information from the gathered here, those will be converted into the dbms, database management system. Next, these three steps, step 1 and step 2 and step 3, these three steps are involved in the first three, these three steps are involved in the ER diagram, in the entity relational data model. Now we will see next three steps. What are they? Now we will see. Next three steps are the schema refinement, next physical design, next physical database design, last is the security analysis. Now we will see each one of them. Note down all these points. Next three are the schema refinement. Schema refinement is the to analyze collection of all data, all database and more future and further database it will be used. Next, physical design of database is to the typical workloads of database which are to be used. In future purpose we will store in this database, that is physical database. Next is the security analysis. It is more security purpose. Our data should be security. It is converted different groups and different roles to the users. It is the security purpose. Now we'll see these three. That is step 4 is the schema refinement. Schema refinement is used to the database. It is the fourth step. It is the fourth step of database design. Here, collection of analyze. It will analyze collection of or relation and relationship of the related data. Relation and relationship of identified data. Next step is the schema. After this, step 5. Fifth one is physical database design. Here, what it tells about the? It tells about our workload and data. Future data will be analyzed. It will analyze future data and it's stored in this data. Next one is the security analysis. Data will different groups and different tools, different roles. It will converted into different groups and different roles and it to users for security purpose. These are about the database design, these 6 steps. Now we'll see ER diagram. ER diagram is entity relational diagrams. Now we'll see there are also 6 are there students diagrams. About these diagrams only we will develop the data, for what purpose all those are. Now we will see ER diagrams. ER diagrams are entity relationship. ER diagrams. ER means entity relationship. Entity relationship diagram. What is the first is rectangle. First is the rectangle. Rectangle represents for the entity. It represents to the entity. Symbols also very important, students. These symbols diagrams 2-year semester exams. Next is the diamond. This is represents for the relationship between the entity to entity. Our relationship will be formed. Next one is the ellipse. Ellipse is used for the attributes. It represents to the attributes. For particular person, for example, particular person, we have to take a number identified name. For all those are the attributes. Next one is the weak entity. Double rectangle. It will be indicates about the weak entity. It tells about the weak entity, which means that weak entity is another entity. More than one entity, we will use this rectangle, double rectangle. Next one is the weak entity relationship. This is the weak entity. Rectangle is about the relationship. Weak entity relationship. Weak entity relationship. Double entity relationship. More than the entities, weak entity relationships are there. We will use this rectangle. Next one is the ellipse. Ellipse, double ellipse. If we are using more than the weak attributes. Weak attributes. Note down all these symbols in your notes, students. If we are using more than the attributes, we will use this weak attributes. Note down all these symbols in your notes, students. If you have any doubts about this class, write in comments. I will definitely reply to you. If you have any opinion about this class, write in comments. I will definitely reply to you. And in our channel, we will discuss the all Python programming, cloud computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cyber security, IoT, all those playlist link are in description. We can follow it, students, and prepare well and write well exams. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and select all, so that when I will upload the videos, you get by notification and you can follow our channel and you can pass all our CS subjects. And first you like this video so that it reaches to so many students, and share this video. Thank you. In next class we can meet.